Hello? Knockity knock knock knock. Hello? Hi. Hello? Hi. Hi. I'm the neighbor across the street. I noticed that your I noticed that your grass is not standard. Blue, I don't know what it is, but we have it's not like a rule like an HOA, but everyone on the block has, that they use. I know you came in because I just watched you I watched you come in from the store. Hello. I'd like to let you know about the grass. I brought some of my own. It's on the ground. I can give it to you. I can slide it on the floor if you want. I just want you to know what kind it is. Okay, well, you know what? I don't have a lot to do today, so I can hang here if you want. If you want me to. Hello? Okay, well, you might have gotten in the shower, but you know what? I can wait. Because I haven't been sleeping a lot, thinking about it. And my husband said the wind chimes because it's been real windy, and he said take them down. That might affect my sleep, but I actually think it's the grass that's on my mind. Okay? I'll wait. I'll wait. You are the apple of my eye. You are the candle of my eye. I think I woke up this morning and that was on the alarm. You know how that just plays and it gets in you hear it all day. It must have been on. I haven't heard that song in a while. Hey, you know what? You guys mind if I just I could take some photos of the grass, your grass, and I could put them up against my grass. We can compare notes, because you'll see a big difference. It's a good neighborhood, I'll tell you that much. You are the apple of my eye.